Okay, so I am doing my spark plugs on a BMW 2015 328i n20 engine. I got NGK spark plugs, and I am using a small torque wrench set at 23 Newton meters, and then I am using another socket wrench to take them out. I have come into a little issue though. Down in the cylinder, I'm getting these little metal shavings that are left behind. So I've come up with this thin vacuum hose. I had a metal straw that I taped onto the end of my vacuum, and I just stick it down in there, and then I vacuum out all the little metal particles, just so that the spark plug can sit flush, because this part here is where all the metals are in the cylinder. So if that's not sitting flush to the engine, then I feel like you're not having, maximum airflow or whatever for the spark. Yeah, so these are my old spark plugs that I've been taking out. I'm about 40,000 K overdue. They're not really that bad though. My engine runs really well though. Yeah, so I've already gone ahead and I've done this one, done that one. Now I'm on the third one. All you got to do is flick these up. What I do is flick those up, and then you can pull this plug out. And you just pull those out, and then you pull the cylinder out. So yeah, the coil comes right out, which is these. Yeah. So explain it a little better. You pull that up, pull the plug, and then pull this coil right out, and then your spark plug will be inside of there, and then use your ratchet to pull it out and put it in. Okay, so I got a 14mm socket there. It's magnetized, so it can pull the socket out for you, so you don't have a hard time getting it out. Definitely want to get one of those, makes your job easier. So I just vacuumed in there, and you can see how nice and clean it is in there. Now, there were shavings down at the bottom. I wish I would have got a video of that, but never thought of it till after. So you want that nice and clean down there before you put your spark plug back in. So I got my torque wrench now set, and you'll tighten. You can almost do it without a torque wrench, just until it's hand tight, but I have it set at 23 until I hear the click. There. Just a nice hand tightening. There you go. I'll put the back in the cylinder or coil. So you can see as you push it in, the clamp wants to go down, clicks in place. That one is done. See here, all you got to do, if you pull this up, the plug comes out. There you go, and then you got to pull out this coil.